Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
Welcome to my bedroom. Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff. Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today. These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row.
Dang, mitzvah in the air. I didn't even notice that the first time.
We haven't won yet.
Oh wait, where is she? Which one is her? So many of them.
To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops. I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so fat, but they're so yum. This is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year. And she has a lot of secret meetings with guys I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf. But try as they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool. It's because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. It F's me up how much I really like him. My family's throwing me a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual. Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around. I'd be so sad. I think I'd seriously cry forever. Oh no! I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school. I'm so lame. Ugh. I hope Nick isn't mad. That's about the worst thing that could ever happen!
What the hell? Why is it working on my keyboard and not my control? I'm so confused. 4. What? Who's counting down? And Romero. High school is the best. Okay. Oh my god. Can I move? Oh dang.
Seriously? Dude. The hell?
Who has that in their backpack? Everyone came prepared for late.
And on my birthday, too. Like I'm not already late enough. Gross.
God damn.
Undead douchebags.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this girl. OMFG. Oh, she has a 3.4 GPA. Okay. She's a smart one. I mean, she has to be so smart. Okay, okay.
Jeez, it sucks when things explode. I need to find Nick. How to cook zombies? Awesome.
Wait, I need to get 3 in a row. I need to get 3 in a row. Hey, that was 2 in a row. Oh, shoot.
Zombies do poop.
What? Sometimes y'all don't need to talk. Yay, I did it! Yay! That's what I wanted. 3 in a row. 3 in a... Get the pom-poms. You deserve the pom-poms. No, I'm not done with this guy. God dang, it's not even that serious. Like, pipe down. All up in my ear. Oh, y'all gonna see this. Y'all need to see this. Not her wasting her time. You see that big ol' rescue helicopter, right? I'm gonna go over here. Look, look, look. He needs help, right? Right? Look at them. Dang, not her mogging, but like, look at... Dang! She stopped mogging. If you look at them, they're not helping. They're not doing anything. Watch. Watch what they're gonna say when I save this guy. You see that, right? I'm sorry!
Awesome. I'm still alive.
Pretty zombie medals.
Now look.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Buddy. You know what? They're just rescue. Maybe they don't have the equipment.
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving.
Girl.
Eat it up.
See. Okay. Oh, she's mogging. Oh wait, I remember there's coins somewhere. There's coins. Okay, okay. We're back on time. I don't know what else is happening. This is all I know. That was all.
Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll
Bruh.
rip out your taint.
Oh, great. This isn't
Oh.
gonna be as easy as I thought.
What did
Hey,
I just say?
Herb, don't be looking at my skirt.
Dang, he just glitched. Oh, y'all fast. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Just
Dang.
don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
What did it say? Oh, oops. I got a little finger happy. I got a little finger happy. Sorry. I was trying to press the space button and it's right next to C. Okay, okay. I need to calm down. I'm going to stop now. That's the last time. That's the last time. Yeah. Now I need to get 4. Now I need to get 4. Get 4 and in. Oh, okay. I see what's happening. Oh, shoot. But, okay, okay. It's getting intense. It's getting intense. Okay.
Where am I?
Great. See one more. I got it. All right.
Okay, guy. Alright. You know what? I would be like that too. Because, like, she's kicking ass and she looks so cool while doing it, so I don't blame him. He's cheering her on. Wait.
Ah, watch out!
Eggs.
Come on, get away from me.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Okay, I'm not gonna lick up her skirt. I wonder if you get an achievement for doing that. But knowing this game, you probably do. Did somebody throw something at me? I need to reassess. I need to reassess. I need to reassess! I need to reassess! I need to reassess! I need more time. Oops. Dang. Okay, you're on the ground now.
favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
Who says that? Who says
Off.
that?
Get away!
I should get him.
So rad to see everybody.
No! No! What is he doing? No! Should I save him? Should I save him? Okay, no, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die if I don't stop. Oh shoot, I'm supposed to be saving somebody. Oops. I think he's dying. Dude is dying, for sure. Okay. That was embarrassing. But we digress. Come on, dude. Oh. Period. You know what? I don't hate this guy anymore. V? Oh, sorry. Wrong button. Silly me. V.
Fuck off! Get away!
Only 2. Oh, that's 3. Okay. Pop it. Pop it. Hey, I'm getting used to it. No more pausing the screen. That was amazing. Before I get this lollipop.
Weed is for suckers.
Period. That's the only thing that the zombie said that I agree with. Bro, leave the guy alone. Okay, now what was that move they were talking about? Is jump space? Okay. I did not just pause the screen. No, I did not. You know what? There's only one more left. Let's see how he runs. Bro, look at that. Feed is for suckers. Feed is for suckers. He must have been a sucker.
Fantastic job, kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude.
Where's the bee?
What did he just say?
Hold on, it's too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Bruh.
Get off me, you bastard! Oh shit! Tell my wife I love.
Okay. I feel
Oh
bad
no!
now.
He crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
The delivery. The delivery. Can we? Can we? Did I get the lollipop?
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
A phone and the chainsaw. Let's go back. Oh, can I not go back? I think I got the lollipop. I was so overwhelmed. Oh, I got zombie coins. Zombie coins. Let me heal. Zombie coins. Okay, now I can finally abuse the screen. Ew. Let's try not to die. Ew, what is this? Oh, this is gonna be copyrighted. This is gonna be copyrighted for sure. Whatever. Costumes? Oh, let me check those. We can change chainsaw. AD. Oh my god. Okay. Obviously I have nothing. But when I do, I am gonna be trying that. Cheerleader. Oh my gosh. Oh. I was like, bunny costume. Yay. But no, I don't like that one. Crash helmet. I sort of like that one. No, I don't want to be her sisters. Ew. I don't want to be her mom either. Oh my god, are you serious? we have, that's cute. Oh my god, the rider suit? I think I want that one. Clown. I would get that one too. You know, Harley Quinn, why not? Ninja, who cares? No. 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 Girl. No. Okay, maybe I like that one. Lovely waitress. Maitress. I love nurses. Yes. Yes. I am. I can't? Oh shoot, the medals. Oh my gosh, she looks so good with black hair. A goth outfit! Oh my god, we're getting that. That's appropriation. She's appropriating. I don't know if I should get that one, but I need, okay. This is what I'm saving for. The goth. The nurse, of course. This one maybe. And then the biker outfit. Oh, clown and biker. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get. That's what I get when I saved up. Okay. Let's go back. Let's see. What kind of skills can I get? Okay, I can get skills. The Lollipopter. Oops. If I save up 500 coins, I can get medals, magic beans. I'm going to save for medals. Right now, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna up chainsaw drill. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm trying to turn. It's not letting me turn. Oh, I guess it's just this area I won't let me turn.
Get out of my way! I'm in a hurry!
This whole time, she hasn't shown concern for her mams. She just says, oh, I hope. Wait, what is that? How do I click that? I didn't know how to click it. I was in the midst of battle. What do they expect me to do?
Speed it up.
Do what? I hope the camera's better now. Oh, okay. Make sure not to forget any coins, because I need that nurse outfit. Bro. Space. Okay. Okay. Now we're getting... Oh my god. Oh my god. I got stuck. There we go, that's the drill technique.
Let me fuck your father!
What? Bro, these zombies have no chill. Oops. Going back to my old ways. Dang it, I was trying to get a 3 on them. I was trying to get a 3 on them. Oops, I need her to get up. There we go. There we go. Look at my health bar. I need to do better. There. And I need to remember I can jump if I need to. Okay. It's safe to jump. I can do it.
Stay back! Get off! No! No!
Zombie's not dead.
Bruh. The voice lines are...
Please,
Oh,
move.
I'm getting
I'm in a
close.
hurry.
Oh. Okay. Ooh, that's not very nice. I was so confused as to why he's not getting hit. I probably should have got a lollipop. Oh, there's a lollipop.
Hey, respect people's property.
Oh shoot, I need time. Oh, I'm gonna die. The first time. I'm trying. For the first time, the save screen is not working. What is going on? I'm trying to heal. Okay. Okay. I need new strategy. This is obviously not working. Okay. I'm stressed. I'm just as stressed as you are. I am stressed as well. Whew, finally. Oops. Finally. Bruh. I'm disappointed. Oh, I forgot to use the thing! Isn't it like S or something to use my special up? Bro. I'm just... Okay. Alright. Might as well use it. I'm halfway dead, bro.
Oh, Nick, please be okay.
Okay, finally she's talking about Nick. This is where his dumbass did not go into the water.
Nick? Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet!
Oh my god, he survived.
Ah!
I'm so hungry.
Ah! Ow!
Favorite food? Okay, 2.7.
Shit!
Cut off his arm. His arm.
You okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
Oh.
It can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't
Oh
worry
my
about that.
gosh.
That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you.
Oh.
Oh, I fucking love you.
Oh. W man's.
Nick. No. There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby.
Bro, she's wild. Okay.
Excellent.
No, I don't like that. On my off time, I'm gonna do better. Like, I'm gonna replay this. I don't need a D in completion time. I need an A+. Give me an A+. Give me an A+. Yeah, hide this shit.